The first skill we'll talk about is communication. Communication is the act of sharing thoughts, feelings, or information. It involves two important roles. A sender relays a clear message to others. A receiver collects, interprets, and uses the information from the sender. There are two types of communication: verbal and nonverbal. You send messages verbally through the words you speak or write. You send messages non-verbally using body language, making sounds, or with pictures. Messages are received using your senses. You interpret incoming messages mainly with your eyes, ears, and touch. Communicating effectively is important because it's how we gain knowledge, share information, and build relationships.